I am the proud winner of the Shakuntala Devi Award for being the academic topper of the batch 2022 to 2024. Hi, my name is Rohit from the batch PGDM 2022 to 2024. To be really honest, winning this award was not even in my bucket list nor even in my dreams. But see where it got me. All I ever wanted to do was to make a mark of myself and nothing beyond that. And I'd consider anything beyond that to be a mere bonus. Look where it got me. Now, if you come to ask me about that particular moment, I'd tell it as a proud moment ever in my life. For that, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the man behind the entire initiative, which is our MD, Mr. Ritesh Goyal sir, and the entire GIBS management for providing me an opportunity and a space where I could develop, nurture, grow, and ultimately to become the man who I am right now. They have played a tremendous role in my life all throughout these 2 years of my journey. For that, I would like to take another person who played a major role all throughout my journey, and they are my faculties. Their timely help behind my academic obstacles played a major role such that the theoretical knowledge which they have nurtured and imparted me all throughout these 2 years of my journey, it helped me to practically showcase my talents in all the management fairs where I've been to, and ultimately seeing a success of 1 or 2, which I would like to take as a bonus again. Finally, I would like to thank my parents, my classmates, and even my colleagues who supported me along the journey, even if it is knowingly or even unknowingly. Finally, last but not the least, I would like to finish by saying something like this. If you truly deserve something, no matter how bad things are, you are bound to receive that. So, never lose your hope. Thank you.